Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. In this video, we're going to take a look at a brand new object. This is the OSIGHT SE. This is going to be a great red dot for your compact pistols. The OSIGHT SE is going to be completely enclosed front and back, so it's nice and sealed here. Has a couple different dots that we can take a look at here. Has a small 2 MOA and then a large circle that's a 32 MOA. And you can also combine the two, so you have the small dot in the middle, depending on what you're shooting. If you want to be super accurate, go the 2 MOA. If you're just looking to get on steel, get on target fast, then maybe the 32 MOA is what you're looking for. The battery tray is going to load from the side, which I really like. That means it's going to help me hold zero. That I don't have to take this on and off, but it's going to help me hold zero, so I can just take off, slide the battery tray open, and then close it back and secure it. The glass is going to be 14 millimeters by 21 millimeters. So the battery is going to be a CR1620 battery, and it's going to last approximately 75,000 hours on one battery. The OSIGHT SE is going to weigh 27.5 grams, 0.97 ounces, super light. This comes right out of the box ready for RMSC footprint, but if you want to make it on an RMR, just buy the extra plate. So take a little bit closer look here. Here is your brightness adjustment here on the top. We have an adjustment here, up and down, left and right, and then here's your battery tray. Take this little screw out, which they give you a tool for, and it just pulls out. You swap your battery out. Like I said, you can kind of see the red dot right there. Kind of hard to pick up in camera. I like the fact that it comes with all of the screws we could possibly need, depending on which pistol we're going to run our optic on. The battery does have the 75,000 hour runtime, but we're going to know our battery is getting low when we start seeing the red dot flash. It's going to flash 3 times consecutively, and then we'll know that we need to swap the battery out. So I hope this video helps. If you're looking for an affordable red dot for your smaller pistol frame, I think this is a great option here for you. Just Google OSIGHT SE and you'll get popped up the website, because I can't put a link down below. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.